Hey there, as you probably noticed, or at least I hope people did, I did not post a video 2 weeks ago. Well, I was away back home in Poland for a week, just visiting family and getting stuff done. But, whilst I was there, I also went to a shooting range to try out some guns. These are 2 clips from some of the guns that I shot. These are not all of them, but these were my favorite.
Już się nagrywa, nie?
Jak kwadratowy na dole, to tak.
Dobra.
Mogę?
Tak? Możesz. Tak zrobimy. O, żebyś widział karabin. Dobra. Na pewno jest pusta komora nabojowa. Sprawdź. Odciągnij zamek. Odciągnij zamek. Sprawdź.
Pusta.
Ja też widzę, że pusta. Możesz odłożyć.
O!
Sprawdzona.
Anyway, videos from now on will be coming out at a regular interval, unless something happens along the way. But, otherwise, I hope you all had a great Christmas, and enjoy the video.
Mate, he's a fucking legend, I'm telling you.
I always get in here.
He's a legend. He's a legend, Dead man, dead man. Fucking mate. Come on, lads, get in here. Stop sitting around. Yeah.
Oh, I haven't run that like that in a while. Okay, there we go.
Done a good job, man. Oh, man. Nicely done, man. Dead man, don't talk, Kate.
Come in here, you can come up to in the tower. Lad, you can get in the tower. Right side window, right window! Mate, I'm getting fucking tons of kills right now. No, I can't get to that, it's too small. Oh, that was a fucking good hit. Hit!
Fuck aye, let's do
Okay,
it.
you're running. Ready?
Alright, let's go.
Go.
Okay, let's go, boy. Fucking do it. Push him. Push him. Hit.
Are you ready? Swing on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hit! Close, close, close. Got him. Good.
Hello there.
General Kenobi!
Yep.
Go on to the right, the back side.
Like on that wall.
I'm not sure. You might be on the towers.
Let's get in there from the right side. Okay. Cover and then just run straight in and then look at the wall. Go down, go down. Should I need?
Need in there. Frank, need on the side. Yeah, come on!
I'm in! They're not there though. I know where I'm shooting. Okay, I see they're looking down it.
Yes.
Oh, that's why I'm not shooting. I stuck my finger in there again. Window!
Coming out! Dead man!
Windows go! Windows closed! Window's still there on the right. Window! Yep.
Whoa!
That was really fucking loud. Holy shit. Here, window. I just saw a gun. I saw a gun on window. What?
Careful now. Go behind everybody in the fucking head with it.
Ready? Did you say push your need? Whatever, you have it now.
Be careful. There's a guy with a pistol over the wall.
Got him.
No, he's
No, not that guy. Yeah. I'm looking at the window though.
Alright, okay.
You cover there. Hit!
Done now.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Watch. Shit, right there.
No, nothing there. Hi. One more at the wall.
Just stay alive, lads. Just stay alive. That's all you got to do. 3 minutes. Oh, 2 minutes now.
Damn it, hold! 60 seconds!
Hold them off, son. Yes, man.
He said he can even hear me.
Non-ban.
Numbats, get in! One more in the tower!
Game over, lads! Game over! Still ya!
I almost slipped.
Okay, never mind. He's sneaking around there like a fucking monkey. You fucking rat, do you see him? Look at him! Fucking rat! He's a rat from Tarkov. Ready? Go! Good job. Are they inside that building?
They are.
Cover me. Ready?
Got it.
Oh yeah. Oh, he just got me. Crawl, boy, crawl. Look for your mags. Oh, he fuck's sake, just got me. Again. Fuck, my radio's gone. Did anybody pick up my radio? Is it still in the mud?
No, it's in my hand right now. I'm talking to your brother. I've been spouting abuse to him all day.
There you go.
I'm a big person. I look good actually. Who's hat on? You know, put it back on.
Looking good.
Greg, you need to walk down a bit further, mate. Like,
Yeah, oh my god, aye. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. You could send it to that. Go.
You're right.
Oh.
Yep. That was an accident.
directly on the other side.
How's he not hit? Not hit. Ow.
I don't want to go in here.
That explains a lot.
Non-banded players up to come. Don't be Craig, I suppose. That would be hilarious. Military capture weapon. I think we should.
Yeah, let's quickly just. Here. I'll stand at the back so I can get like the money shot for YouTube.
We're gonna try and out machine gun the machine guns.
I think I'm out as well. 250 rounds gone.
I'm out.
Corner, corner.
Got him, got him.
Sorry. Oh, sorry.
What's that window over there? You're right, I guess.